Isa sa ano nila. Yo, listen, get ready. Everyone, shallow on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow gate, shallow gate, shallow gate. Yo, listen, I need an earlier healing hood there. I'm not seeing any healing hood. Maces, hello? Offensive healing hood. Keep bombing the gate. Give me fix. Give me fix on the gate. Careful, shallow. Ready defenses on the gate. Careful, Shaper. Yo, everyone on the gate. Wait, give me a fake, give me a fake, give me a fake. Oh, do. Ready, defend shallow. Yo, everyone on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate. Full headbutt. Now, pull back. Give me defenses. Heal up my front line. Heal up my front line. Everyone come back. Careful. They engage again. Nice. Okay, just hold. Careful. Your tanks, get ready to hold them. Watch the front line, okay? Oh, the fucking hell, they fucking pull me, man. Everyone, get ready. Look at the gate. Ready. Everyone, full send it on the gate. Northwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full send it on the gate. On the gate only. Now come back. Pull back. Tanks hold them. Okay? Heal up. Spread southwest now. And that kidnap is very coordinated, huh? I was very far there. Careful front line. Odoni. The battle must be in front of me so I don't get pulled. Everyone step up. Can we get a fake? Northeast on the GA 5. Now come back. Ready defenses. Come back. Spread. Come back inside. Careful. They're gonna engage shallow. Careful. Heal up front line. On the gate shallow, on the tanks. 5, inside. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside tank. Come back. Spread as a beast. Holy shit, man. Shimpan. Careful, okay? You listen. They're gonna pull, one person. Careful, shallow. Nice. They engage shallow. One engage, okay? It's one engage. Listen, everyone, fast engage on the choke, okay? I need fast healing hood I need a very good healing hood on the gate. Spread, everyone. Listen, northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Everyone, come back now fast. Okay? Careful. Oh my god, Ace got engaged on. And Nutribon got engaged on. Minus hammers. Minus 2 hammers already. Heal front line. Yeah. Listen, let them engage inside. Let them come inside. Let them walk in. Spread, boys. Spread. Okay. Careful. Ready defenses up front, okay? Careful. Spread. Hold on. Careful front line, boys. Yeah, listen, I'm gonna fake, okay? Mulek, save your pull, okay? Yo, listen, step up a bit. We're gonna fake only. Come back. Wait, boys. Wait. Spread. Tanks, get ready to hold them down when they walk in, okay? Ready your potions, boys. Okay? Hold, careful west side. Everyone step up. Listen, pop your potion on the gate only, okay? Shallow inside. Pop your potion. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the crown. On the crown now. Oh, listen, spread southeast. We still have an engage. Wait. Spread southeast. Heal my west side. Okay, spread southeast. Careful, boys. Careful. They engage in shallow again. Yo, they're walking deep, okay? You look at north side. By the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. I come back inside. Listen, come back inside. Tanks hold them. Everyone come inside. Marlika come inside. Careful, they're gonna engage on the gate, okay? Careful. Come inside. Spread. Everyone come northwest. Marley ka northeast on the gate. Get ready. Northeast on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast gate. More damage. Come back. Spread southwest. Sorry. Yo, listen. Everyone come west side here. Wait. Spread southwest. Hold on. Spread southwest. Spread only. Careful front line. Just wait. Again, get ready. Look at the gate, okay? On the gate. Wait only. Gate's about to break. Yo, listen. Engage shallow, okay? Wait. They're gonna engage fast. Ready defense and shallow. On the gate shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate shallow. Everyone pull back now. Pull south. Tanks feel a bit, okay? Come southeast middle. Come middle, okay? Just wait. Yeah, listen again. This is what they're gonna do. The moment I full engage, right? They're gonna try to funnel in. Their mains are gonna funnel in with another bomb squad. 2 bomb squads will hold the northeast side. So you know already where they're going, okay? Tanks, get ready. Yeah, listen, I'm gonna fake only. Everyone, step up a bit only. Be careful, okay? I'm gonna fake only. Step up, fake only. Boots only. Fake only. Oh, come back. Careful front line. Hold on. Ready defenses. Ready defense shallow. Heal up. Yo, look at the tanks inside, okay? Wait. Look at the tanks inside. Hold. Careful. Give me fakes now. They're walking deep. Spread. Everyone, northeast on the choke. 5, headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt on the choke. Choke. Now spread full defend inside. Okay? Heal up. Okay, spread. They're going deep. Okay, spread. Find a safe spot. We're gonna engage in 7 seconds. Okay? DPS, find me now. All my DPS, look at the middle. Everything in the middle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Middle now. Now spread. Everyone spread. Careful northwest. They're going northwest. Careful northwest. Defend west side. Okay, come middle, guys. Careful west side. Too many west side. Okay, heal up. Yo, DPS get ready. DPS find me. Look at west side. Tanks hold the west side. Everything get ready. Everyone potion. Deep west side. 5. Deep west side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything deep west side now. More damage. Now spread. Defend middle. Everyone out. Under them. I'm gonna die here. Spread. Everyone out. Balance out. Bro, they have fucking many tanks, man. They have so many tanks. I'm getting CC'd so hard. Holy shit. Okay, balance out. Bro, I'm having a hard time, man. They have so many tanks, man. I'm just getting stopped every time. Like, they're denying me from actually fucking using my air comp from fucking walking in. What?
Battle mount dito sa tulong.
Yeah, listen, the battle mounts, ping. Help the battle mounts. Everyone out.